Sometimes people say that we're wonder. How did you guys get to that place? The one thing we can say, we have a strong back. God is always alright. Alright.
Even we say that we've been through a wonder.
How did we get to this place?
The one thing we can say, glory, hallelujah, glory, hallelujah, glory, hallelujah, hallelujah. God is right, that's why we are singing His love aloud. My God is always right, with Him always alright. God is right, that's why we are singing His name on high. My God is always right, with Him always